so cute.
Is that how you imagine poking squishy cheeks to be?
There you go. It's like hard bite.
What's your Mauricio rating?
10 tickles. It's actually pretty tasty. I like the texture.
Bouncy. The
Smell
Kobe.
smell that? Oh, it smells like royalty.
Ooh, look at that silky layers.
Do I put soy sauce on it? Do I?
Maybe you can do half-half.
I think it should be eaten as is. It smells really good. It tastes like a candle. Like you look over a candle and you actually breathe in some of the smoke.
Yeah.
In a good way. Wow, that beef was just like fish. It just went down very smooth.
Yeah.